Hello everyone, this is V Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a Maggie Holmes YouTube hop, and our host is Janae Guzman, who is Happy Mail Obsessed. She will be linked below, and also the other talented ladies will be linked below as well. I was chosen to be paired up with Pojects. I will have her linked below. I made her this pokey tulle that everyone's been making. I first saw it with Serenity Creations. She had one of her subscribers sent her one. I made her this little wallet and I filled it with some tag pockets, and in these tag pockets are miniature charms. So we chose to go with Sweet Story, Maggie Holmes. Next, I included a book, and this book is to write down, kind of like a journal, to be grateful for the things in life, and I'm very big on that, very big on positivity, women encouragement, and being grateful for everything you have, and also having good to-do. So I included a garden party, the 6x8 stickers, and some ephemera in there. I didn't take it out because I was tearing the wrapping, didn't want to do that. I also made this embellishment box. It is a Lori Whitlock file, which I absolutely love. It's considered a shadow box, but I made it into an embellishment box by creating a lid, and I love it. So there's some altered flags and also some plain ones so she could use. Love them, love how they came out. Added some beads as well. Oh, I also want to say thank you so much for my new subscribers. I appreciate you so much. Thanks for subscribing, and just in case you didn't know, I do offer free SVG files from time to time, and you can just click on my playlist and go to SVG files, and you'll find it under each video. Each video has a title as well. I made these strawberries as well. They're just 3D strawberries, nothing inside them. They're just for looks, and they were a file as well. I will link everything below. So this is one of my files I created. It is a rough draft, but I'm going to link it below. Anyway, the smaller part of the bullhorn, I didn't take that much time to make it symmetrical, so it's kind of a little off, but it still worked for me, and I loved how it turned out. I think I'm gonna make another one. I love that the Sweet Story has bullhorns. I think it's so cute, and had to make one as well. So this is another file of mine. This is a jukebox. I will have it linked below as well. This jukebox is also Sweet Story, and I didn't include buttons on this one. I just put in the wording there. That is the stickers that come with the collection, and the jukebox is another box, and I made some SVG 3D bows, and I will link that in the description below as well. So I love creating 3D bows. I love them. I think there's such a great embellishment to gift. I love them so much. They're my absolute favorite to make. Next, I made an embellishment box, more like a bead box. This bead box, I didn't do any wire wrapping. Time was up, so I didn't have any time to do that, but I did decorate it. I decorated it as a suitcase, and the embellishment box is a big one. I got this one at Dollar Tree. I included those resin bead bows, also some sequence mix, which I did alter the tops. And what I did was I bought one of those beads packs from Hobby Lobby, and then just put it in here and then added the black beads because that doesn't come in the package. So I just wanted to make it look nicer, not just in one of those bead boxes. So here is a little crate that I made. It's a SVG file that I found on the Silhouette Design Store. We'll have it linked below. I included the flag. I included a puffy pin and for her journal, and also some bag toppers. And there's just a bunch of embellishment and stickers from Hobby Lobby. And there's some of the new ones. I made these bullhorns as an embellishment, some flowers, some rosettes, some bows, some stickers, and then I made these Maggie Holmes rosettes. They are inspired by the Maggie Holmes rosettes. So I did decorate the inside of the box and also did some stitching in there as well. Next is this Caddy. I will have the maker linked below as well in the bottom of the screen. I forgot her name, but she has a tutorial on this, and I love it so much. I first saw it with Mommy and Me Crafts, and I had to head on over to her channel and make it. So I did include lots of embellishments, and they're very miniature embellishments, some tassels, some the Maggie Holmes swan stamp and die cut was gifted to me by Pia Pie Art. She used to go by Craft Mazing. I will have her linked below. And I included one of Lori's rosettes. I shared one with her, and hopefully she enjoys that. I do have some back toppers as well. I added a puffy ball from Hobby Lobby. There are some stickers and some Maggie Holmes embellishments there as well. And I did do the bow on the side of the Caddy. That is an Adriana Alvarez bow that I made, and I love it so much with yarn. And I included some Maggie Holmes embellishments, some more in here. And Poochie loves tassels, so I included these trims from Etsy. I will have them linked below as well. I also included this back topper, which I made so she can reuse. I just clipped it on with a clothespin. I included this kit from Sparkling Gold. I will have her linked below. She has an IG shop. I loved her little kit. I bought one for myself and one for Poochie, as well as the Etsy. I included the Sizzix die for Poochie, which I'm not sure she has, but I'm pretty sure she does have it because she has just about everything, you guys, all the new dies and stuff, so she can share with somebody else if she already has that. I also included another, it's kind of like a sherbet mix of yarns and threads, and I included that as well from the same Etsy store. I will have them linked below. So that's it for that Caddy, you guys. And next is this market stall, which I absolutely love. It's my first time making it. Like, I am always late to making these things, and I believe it's a Lori Whitlock file. I'll have her linked below. I made her some of these pinwheels, which I loved making pinwheels for Easter, and I have a video on that if you want to see how to embellish that. And so I made her some plain ones so she can embellish with Sweet Story and make it her own. And they are a labor of love, you guys, especially if you're doing some stitching on them, which I did do on these. And I included some rosettes, which I do love with the paper pad, is that it includes like a rainbow striped paper pattern, and I cut them up and I make rosettes with them, and that's how you get all these beautiful colors, and I love them. So very plain rosettes, which she can alter as well, and so I love all the rainbow of colors, love it. So I included a bow on the baskets. I also added some stitching and tulle on the baskets, which you can't really see here, as well as some sequins, and then I added some more of those strawberries, which are also a labor of love, and I made them miniature, and they are on the top shelf of the market stall. So very cute little stall. I love it. I will definitely be making another. I included these flowers. They will be left throughout the box, as well as the strawberries. And so just want to speak on the Bullhorn. The link will be linked below for that if you want a free SVG file. I do make SVG files for my subscribers. If you'd like to subscribe and continue to get free SVGs, that would be wonderful. I appreciate you guys. Check out Pojects, check out Janae, and I will have all of the other ladies linked below. Thank you. Bye.